I welcome you to join me to a short capture of the aerobatics and the air show of the Indian Air Force. You can see the Sarang helicopter team with its super agile light advanced helicopter Dhruv and the skydiving maneuvers of the paratroop regiment. An AN-32 transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force takes off. Indian Air Force uses it extensively for various logistical operations. The high-mounted nacelles and exhaust fumes that you see are typical of an AN-32. A hovering Hindustan Aeronautics Limited Rudra, known as Dhruv WSI Weapons Systems Integrated, is an attack variant designed for the Indian Army, armed with both anti-tank and anti-aircraft missiles and a 20mm turret-mounted cannon. The Dhruv WSI is capable of conducting combat air support (CAS) and anti-submarine warfare (ASW). This indigenously made compact attack helicopter slowly settles down after showing the capabilities. On the far corner, you can see a helicopter with its rear doors open. It is the Russian-built Mi-8. It's a medium twin-turbine helicopter used mainly for transport. This one is carrying 10 paratroopers of the skydiving team of the Indian Air Force. It is about to take off and disappear around 5,000 feet in the blue sky. There you see the paratroopers of the Indian Air Force special skydiving team known as the Akash Ganga. On October 8, 2020, the Indian Air Force celebrated its 88th anniversary. To commemorate Air Force Day, the Indian Air Force achieved a new record of the highest skydiving landing at Khardungla Pass in Leh at an altitude of 17,982 feet, breaking its own previous record. Landing at such height is incredibly challenging due to low oxygen levels and low air density, rough, dangerously high and hilly terrain. 15 years back, this group you see here were as good as the recent team. The canopy has the tricolors of the Indian flag. You can see 3 paratroopers landing in a vertical line. All land on their feet with a soft touch. A job well done. The Mi-8 that you had seen earlier comes in to land after its sortie of paratroopers jumping out of it. It too settles down on the airfield. Now comes the excellent aerobatics of the Sarang team of Indian Air Force, a group of 3 to 4 Dhruv advanced light helicopters. It is a 5.5 tons multi-role, multi-mission chopper for the Air Force, Army, Navy and the Coast Guard. Sarang, or in other words Peacock, is an air display team. You're watching their skills at the Yelahanka Air Base at Bangalore. These helicopters run either on TM333 2B2 engine or Shakti engines. The max speed is between 245 km an hour or 292 km an hour. Has a range of 630 km. TM can generate 801 kilowatt and Shakti 1032 kilowatts of power. The weapon system of Dhruv includes 20mm turret gun, 70mm rockets and air-to-air missiles. The versatility and skill are exemplified by maneuvers like single cross, dolphin leap and double cross among other brilliant agility. Dhruv helicopters are typically used for VIP travel, casualty evacuation, rapid deployment of forces, search and rescue, and training. Dhruv pilots are so brilliantly trained that it is a joy to see them operate as a team at close quarters. You must note helicopters are far more difficult to fly than jet fighters as they have rotating rotors. Every time they come near each other, the tolerance between the machines have to be maintained so that no collision takes place. With the smoke generators, the Dhruv team kept painting the blue sky. Just enjoy. Dhruv can carry over 1.5 tons of weight as underslung weight. Here you can see a vehicle being carried. Well, I hope you have enjoyed the air show as much I loved capturing it. Thanks for being with me. Goodbye.